What if I told you that by the year 2125, humans might not look, or even think, the same way we do today? Picture a world where evolution no longer waits for nature. Where genes are edited like lines of code. Where your thoughts could be uploaded to the cloud. Where climate, culture, and code reshape what it means to be human. We're standing at the edge of a transformation unlike anything in our species' history. So, what will humans look like in 100 years? Let's begin where change happens first, inside us. For most of human history, evolution has moved slowly, adapting to our environment, millennia at a time. But now, we're rewriting our own biology. Tools like CRISPR, the gene editing breakthrough of the 21st century, allow scientists to alter DNA with astonishing precision. That means inherited diseases like cystic fibrosis, Huntington's, or even some cancers could be edited out, forever. But it goes deeper. What if we could enhance our children before they're even born? Stronger muscles. Sharper minds. Better eyesight. In the near future, so-called designer humans might be engineered not just to survive, but to compete. The science is real. The ethics? Still being written. But the next transformation might not be genetic, it might be digital. Imagine a world where brains connect directly to computers. It sounds like science fiction, but companies like Neuralink are already working on it. In 100 years, you may not need to type, speak, or even move to communicate. You might think, and the world will respond. Our future selves could have neural implants to store memories, augmented eyes that overlay information in real time, or even bionic limbs that are stronger and faster than our natural bodies. We could become something new, something more than human. Yet while technology reshapes our minds and bodies, the Earth itself is changing, and so are the pressures on our survival. By 2125, climate change may have transformed vast regions of the planet. Rising temperatures, radiation exposure, food scarcity, these stressors could trigger physical adaptations over generations. Darker skin to resist UV damage. Taller, thinner bodies to dissipate heat. New sleeping patterns to adjust to longer, hotter days. These aren't science fiction fantasies. They're real predictions based on how humans have adapted in the past, and how we might evolve again under new environmental forces. And just as our biology changes, so will our culture. As borders blur and populations mix, our languages, traditions, and identities will merge. The average person of 2125 may look vastly different, not just physically, but in values, communication, and how they relate to others. Artificial intelligence could guide our life decisions, our education, and maybe even our relationships. The line between human and machine may no longer be clear. And some thinkers suggest we may enter a post-human age, where being human is just one version of consciousness among many. But with all this power comes a question no gene or gadget can answer. What do we lose when we leave the natural behind? If enhancements are only available to the wealthy, will humanity split into two paths, those who evolve, and those who are left behind? Will we become more connected, or more isolated? Will we gain intelligence at the cost of empathy? The truth is, we don't really know what humans will look like in 100 years. But we know this, we're not waiting for the future anymore. We're building it, right now. And so the real question isn't how we will change. It's who we choose to become.